why I continue saying that there is importance in preserving nature and especially planting trees. We have just harvested honey from the trees nearby over here. So you can see the products here. This is raw honey. It has been harvested from one of the trees that we do have in our environment here. So that's why I keep on insisting, my valuable viewers, the importance of safeguarding our environment. I said before, and I'm going to repeat, that I'm our environment and wildlife defender. So whenever I see somebody cutting trees, that person is my enemy. So